Dr. Hakeem Baba Ahmed, this one a Northern Elders Forum spokesperson. He don't come outside now, come they blast the presidential spokesperson. This one not the other person, but Garba Shehu, they say na Buhari personal assistant. Now they come out, they give us any news since we no get president. Sorry, since our president always they busy. Now they come outside, they give us. So this Hakeem now he don't come outside, come blast am. Because wetin be name Garba Shehu come outside come dey tell people say members of opposition say they dey exploit Nigeria security challenges. In fact e dey talk, in fact the kind things wey dey come out from him mouth, he himself dey even dey go contrary to all the things wey dey talk. So this Hakeem now don come outside come blast am, and according to Hakeem come dey talk say the presidency go dey divert matters when they dey confront them for major matters for this country. Say if you tell them one thing, before you know am, because of the lies wey they always dey get, they go just shift the thing. You yourself you go just confuse. Ask them A, they go come enter Z. And he even add say the fact say presidency they refuse to acknowledge certain issues for this country. Now be say Nigeria now as we dey talk, e dey inside serious trouble. So abeg, I no wan finish the whole source. I wan make una listen to am with una own ear. So join me, make we watch the video.
I don't know which minister was executed. I was part of many governments. I was a permanent secretary for 10 years. I served under many presidents. I have no idea what Malam Garba is talking about. And hear him speak in this manner, to be honest with you, I'm more depressed now than when I came into this studio. How do you explain the growing sophistication of the criminal in this country? You only do that by acknowledging the fact of the failure of the leadership to secure citizens. There's no way. How long do we want to wait until the president gets around to understanding the nature of the problem? Listening to Malam Garba, to be honest with you, I just think that the presidency has run out of ideas. When they are confronted with a very serious challenge, they go around looking for all sorts of diversions and excuses. Nigerians don't want to hear any of this.
Abeg, this man, is he? Una sure say this man na Northerner? Hey, the accent sef. No, before I enter wetin I wan enter, my people do. You know say I always dey notice good things. This man accent sound like I no dey see Northerner for this place. Meaning say he go school. Hi! Now wow! Hey, Chineke. My people, one of the reasons why I no dey like this Buhari people matter. In fact, the whole Nigeria government, one of the reasons why I know they like them, because see, they never accept responsibility for their life. They never accept them. No, just bring one matter now, they go look for who to blame. This one go say na that one down. Now so every day different things. But now don't hear enough from this one. Hey, but this man get sense. First Northerner. I beg, I never say another one. First Northerner where they see say get intellect. This one go school, yeah, like you feel. No, I won't believe it. This one, I know, I go sleep, think very well. It not dey possible. I beg, because na beg I dey beg you now. Make una dey check up on this man. The next thing I go hear now, in house don't catch fire. You understand what I mean? Because as you don't come out now, talk this truth. No, but this man download. The kind things we download. Now hear him. Chai. I will bring her outside. He deserves some accolades. Where does sir? Now wow, this man, and even cute. Okay, cute. He cute small. Like he try. No say Northerners they sabi. We cannot talk. Bro, I no support you. No get me wrong. I tell you that this is before me. No, I know they support anybody. Just do the right thing and I'm okay with it. I no get one party. I no get you understand. So because me, I just want give an accolade when you deserve. You understand? I support your sense because he's. I bet which school you go. Be like say I go this school. The man English, the way they talk, the way they no. But I beg, hope say you no be like these people. No come outside now. They pretend they speak good things. Tomorrow now we hear say you don't. Congratulations, you have done well. You have done well. I like that one. My people. No, the man try. Because nowadays it dey hard to even see person wey go come outside admit. No, it dey hard. I know they talk of those ones where they pretend we go just come outside so that people go say this. No, just watch. Now go here now say DSS don't go arrest am. You know they hide boo. They know how to be fast when it comes to things like this. But call them for security matters now. They go they drag leg like snake. Ha! Chineke, Nigeria. I just wish say Nigeria fit just change. I wish say this country fit just change. I don't tie. If only Buhari know the kind shit I be mess so he don't put us inside. If only this man know. Ha! In fact, he go resign by himself. Something dey behind this man. I know just in fact, all of them, something dey behind all of them. But no problem. Una know how pregnant woman dey wait for labor. We are pregnant for 2023. We dey wait. And it go surely come. So we go continue to endure. But at least the important thing be say, see, all of them know the truth. Now just be say money, did they use money shut them up? All of them, they know the truth. But it go soon end, my people. Wait till I think concerning this matter. Now don't hear Dr. Hakim himself, the English master, the only learned Northerner. Now don't hear him. So I beg, drop the comment for that comment section and share this video so that other Northerners go not say they no go school. They go just a mumu anyhow. Very, very important. And subscribe if you never subscribe. If not, you go to miss interesting matters like this one. Stay tuned for our next story. Ole, ole, no. How did they sing that song when person they marry? Another wedding is on the way. In fact, it is already here. Let me just talk like that. For now, we no know wetin dey shele. Slippers on top bicycle, all of una wey like dey sleep. Buhari pikin dey marry. President Buhari, his son Yusuf Buhari, is getting married, and this one, in fact, they don't set everything. It dey happen with wetin be this lady name? Zara Bayero, Kanu princess. They marry. And according to Daily Nigeria, they said the wedding go take place in 2 or 3 months' time. Both parents have agreed. Buhari don't go meet princess people too don't meet Buhari people. So everything is set. Now they understand why wetin be they call that woman name? Why Buhari wife come back? Aisha. Now because I don't dey think since wetin bring this woman. And I remember say I tell her say she don't call Nigeria. No knowing say now their plan be this. I mean they think say this woman miss Nigeria, she miss us. Una. I tell una say I know they part of this thing. I think say she miss una. When she come dey come check on im children, mother of all nation. No knowing say na wedding they come plan. Shame on Nollywood. Now only for Nollywood you go see prince they marry village dancer. Real life, rich marries rich, poor marry poor, hoodlums marry hoodlums. So Africa magic, una don dey deceive us since all this while. You go see one prince dey inside in car, you go see one girl where they say orange. Now so you go just park. Hey, how you doing? I like you. I want to marry. Nah, lie. No, this is reality. Okay, why Buhari pikin no go look for one village dancer or banana seller? See them. Now they come marry. Wait, another thing where I even notice for this matter say wey make me even bring her outside. Abeg, wetin dey call her? Northerners, abi their female ones. They no dey cover her head. Some of them even cover their eyes. How come this one? Abeg put this girl picture. See am. So this one now wey no cover hair, no wear hijab. So this one na wetin? So now nobody go come outside complain o, say, you no wear hijab o. No, see am, she no wear hijab. Hijab now na for poor people. Abi hijab, they exclude am for royalty. Una sabi come outside. See them o. I know these people plan. They wan rotate power among themselves. Na wetin dey do? E go shock una tomorrow now, una go hear say Buhari is taking the presidentship title, put am on top Yusuf im son. Na their plan be this. I no dey see. Nigeria, our small money wey we dey manage. Small money wey we dey manage. No, una don think am financially. Who wan sponsor this wedding? Now our money they go use. So forget am. Another budget is coming. Una go hear, the amount. No, relax. Una no say na why I dey here. I'm here to serve you people. I go bring una the not estimate amount. I go bring una the exact amount wey they spend on this wedding. See President Buhari. He don't do. All the 8 years wey he rule Nigeria. He don't use opportunity now. Make all him children marry. No, relax. Because the reason why they do this thing na because by 2023, if they comot am for that, no be if. When they comot am for that seat, my people, if you no see money do wedding again. So now he has to use the opportunity that is in power and he's getting the billions and billions and billions to run. See opportunists. All of them. I talk am before. Now why they tell una say, please, before we put person for that seat, make sure say the person get money, the person don't taste the money. Because if you bring poor people there, never know anything. People where they never see money before, when at their first time now, so their eyes go they shine, people. It go they shine because they never see them before. So when they see them now, they want to use all the opportunity where they get scatter them. I beg, if I be you, I no go marry. Bros, I dey talk to you, Mr. Yusuf. I no go marry because see, I no go last. This wedding no go last. If you like, call and swear. If you like, call am anything way you want call her. Call sing, call, it no go last. Wedding on top scam. Wedding on top corruption. No, where the foundation? When are they build now? I bet no finish our money. No finish our money. Very, very important. I know get time for this stress. So they come bring us now. Now go they lie. They give us prizes. They give us budget. They give us many things. I beg my people. This one I don't even feel call am good news because to me, I don't know for now. To me, I know they see the good way this thing they do for my life or for the country. No be say if he marry now, corruption go subside. No be say if he marry now, things go change. I beg you. Now base of the same feather, same thing. Before you know now we go start to hear another matter. Because I say make I just bring her, give una small. I'm a boy, understand as usual. Because my mouth don't feel shut off of matters like this. Impossible. I have to bring it to her side. So what you think concerning this thing? I beg, how many of una there with me? This wedding must not hold. Yes, so it must not hold. So start the drop on for that comment section. And if you no say people they will need hear this matter. Hey, I beg share this video because they need hear it. Very, very important. Subscribe if you never subscribe. If not, you gonna miss interesting matters like this one. Stay tuned for our next story.